there, wig lover! This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a TressAllure wig called Chanelle, and the color is Sugar Brulee, which is very similar to Noriko's Maple Sugar R color. It is a light caramel auburn brown that has mixed blonde highlights, and the blonde here is a little ash, but it's got a little bit more gold in it than what you get with the maple sugar. The highlights are also not quite as big on this color as they are on the maple sugar from the Noriko line. But this is a rooted color. Check out that mono top, by the way, on Chanelle. Isn't that excellent? I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on that for you. That is a great mono top. I love these rooted colors from the TressAllure line. Before I get too far ahead of myself, let me go ahead and show you what Chanelle looks like all the way around. So yeah, Chanelle's very pretty. The front is 8.25 inches, so I definitely recommend getting some synthetic safe hairspray to kind of keep this in line so it doesn't keep doing that to you. The crown down is 15 inches and the nape is 14.75 inches, which is why she's a boob hugger. She's very, very long. This is a really pretty wig, has quite a bit of hair on it. Very thick hair. The mono features are very densely threaded. This wig does not have a lace front. So I'm going to go ahead and take Chanelle off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. She has a really silky double monofilament top, very smooth there, with a healthy band of polyurethane right at the front hairline in case you want to add adhesive. She's open on the sides, open in the back. She doesn't have an extended nape, and that is felt back there. It's adjustable a bit like a bra strap, and the ear tabs are covered with lace, so they're closed ear tabs. This is a dry fiber, this TressAllure fiber. So whenever I review a TressAllure wig, I always remind people to get their leave-in conditioners and to make sure you carry your wide tooth comb to smooth her out. But some kind of silicone treatment like the Simply Stylin' or MV Renew Repair or something like that will go a long way towards helping prevent tangles. I'm going to go ahead and put this back on for you now. This is so much hair. It's really glam. So there you have it. This is Chanelle from TressAllure in the color Creme Brulee. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my reviews, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.